Good afternoon, guys. So toti michishona maswera say. So today we want to talk about how to use a breadboard. So I want to teach you on how to use a breadboard. So our breadboard is made up of we have what we call the power rails. These are the power rails. So these are the power rails, these ones and these ones. So our power rails, we have the positive rail, which is this column. This column, it represents the positive rail, and we have this column and it represents the negative rail. Also to this side we have this column, it represents the positive rail where there is a positive sign, and where there is a negative sign it represents the negative rail. So our breadboard is also the rails. There's also rails, these rails which are marked by A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So this, it represents, this is a column. This is our column. Let me show you like this. So this is our column. Our column is represented by alphabetical letters A, B to J. So this is our first column, and this is our second column, and this is our third column, and this is our fourth column, fifth up to J. So we have also, these are the rows. These are the rows. Say we have row number 1. This is the row number 1. This is the row number 2. This is the row number 3. This is the row number 5. This is the row number 10. This is the row number 15. So these are our rows. So on our rows, this row, it represents up to here. So this row, it represents row yedu panapa ino representa our conductor, which is inside the breadboard. Our conductor is a continuous conductor up to here. So this is a conductor. So our rows here we have, that's our row. So there's a conductor inside each row. So let's go back to our power rails. Our power rails are columns. So our conductor is from here to here. So our conductor in the power rails on the power rails is a continuous conductor up to here. So from here up to here. So those, and also on the negative side is the same. These are power rails. Our conductor is a column from here up to here. So it is a continuous conductor, same on this side. So this is how our breadboard is made up of. So we are going to be looking at how can we connect, or how do we connect our components on the breadboard? How do we place them? So now takusanangura neshona nditi. So neshona tikuti pano ndo patinoisa pan aya tinawo panapa twatinoti power rails. These ones twatinoti power rails aya ne aya. So power rails edu tine pane ka plus apa ka positive sign aka ndokanerewa ndo patinoisa positive terminal yedu yemagetsi, patinoisa plus ineswa panapa, then minus toisa papi, toisa panapa. Same nekudivi rino, pano ndo patinoisa plus, pano patinoisa minus. So magetsi edu anofamba sei? So mitsetse yedu iyi kubva panapa kudai tratoti positive, inonzi positive rail muchirungu, or positive bus. So pano ndo pati maburi aya ndo patinopfekera ma cables edu atinoda kushanda nawo, or tomati mamale to female edu, majumper wires edu. So topatobayira kamale kedu panapa pamaburi aya anditi. So magetsi anofamba straight kudai. Saka tinokwanisa kutora moto edu from any point pano pa positive rail same nepa negative rail. Mukati muno mune maburi amuka ndo matinozisa ma components edu. So ma components mukati muno makafamba sei, makamira sei. Pano apa panoita straight kudai apa ndo pane ma conductor edu pano. So apa ndo patoisa conductor edu inofamba yakadai, inofamba yakadai, inofamba yakadai, inofamba iri atinoti ma rows. So kuno ku positive rail inofamba iri kwatinoti ma column. Mukati medu munomu anenge ari ma rows. So tikaisa something panapa, tikaisa let's say moto edu panapa unofamba uchigumira pana apa. Tikaisa panapa unofamba uchigumira panapa. Tikaisa panapa unofamba uchigumira panapa. Ndo mafambira inoita moto edu. So tichazodemonstrate tichiratidzana kuti tinoisa sei ma components edu tichitora sei from the positive bus.